When I first looked in the mirror, I cried. I cried because I was so happy.
Today's typical restorations are extremely time-consuming to sculpt by hand. This old method takes weeks of skilled labor and several dental visits. At Perfit, we do restorations differently. Our passion is helping people smile. Our team of experts use the most advanced technology and our patent-pending process to create restorations that are lighter, stronger, more natural looking, and longer lasting. With the efficiencies of technology, we can now offer high-end dental implant restorations for the same cost or less. We are so confident that we offer a 10-year guarantee on our implant solutions. This is unheard of in the dental industry, where the standard guarantee is a mere 3 months. Welcome to your new dental experience, where the most advanced technology creates your perfect fit every time.
Well, I guess it's because of Perfit that I have a smile that has made me very confident. And I remember giving Laura a hug and Dr. White a hug, and they're just the most amazing people. It was just, I could almost cry now, I better not. But it was amazing, just amazing.